What's up? You know this is your boy Jeremiah. That's the boy Ant. That's your boy Josiah. Alright, so today we're about to knock on the door.
Gang, gang, yo.
Tell them.
So today, guys, we out in the woods right now, as y'all can see, because this is about to be something radical, y'all. So we about to go on people's doors, knock on that door, and hurry up and run. Hopefully they don't catch us.
You see that house? That's the stranger house. They're going to be coming out the door.
Yeah, they're going to be coming out the door, guys, but we got to go as fast as we can. So let's go, guys. Let's get this started.
Josiah, you can't be scared. What's up?
I'm not, y'all.
Alright, y'all, this is the woods, bro. You see all these rocks, bro?
Dang, man. Stay up and
We back in the woods. Okay, we about to find a way out the woods.
So, y'all, so as y'all can see, as we out the woods, we inside of the house, they out in the front by the garage. So we gotta be fast because they barbecue. Link in the video. And that's Michael.
Michael the boy. Boy, don't do that. That's the video. Snap. Okay, y'all, as y'all see, they didn't answer. Uncle Lane hasn't seen me. But she says. Alright, knock on the door. Hey, gang, gang, look at that little red nigga. Hey, Roddy, look at this. We scared. Gang, gang, y'all, we the gang, gang, blood gang.
Gucci gang. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
Cocaine.
So he's pushing his car from his car.
Cool, you want to do it with us? You want to do it with us? Hey,
Do it, Josiah. Do it.
It's the same car.
Do it.
Yeah.
Here, we're good. Come on. Gang, gang.
Trip it. Trip it.
I'm going to town now.
Bro, you a snitch.
We gotta get out of here.
Hold on.
We're getting on trip.
Right now.